Eat a biscuit. Hello guys, this is Paul and Gracie's Ultimate Channel here, and today we're going to be opening 4 new cars that will improve my own city. So anyway, let's get started. Let's start with Nigel Gisley. A few moments later, this is Nigel Gisley. The flag says United Kingdom. His racer is number 9, the World Grand Prix racer. That's all for today. This is Nigel Gearsley. Next is, what's his name? Flash Nilsson. Back to the video. So, this is Flash Nilsson. This is look like crown. This made was no countries to say. This is Flash Nilsson. Next is Ralph Carl. This is Ralph Carl. His race is 117. So it says Ultrally Pistons. We need Slider Petrowski and more to get Mr. Candyman's classroom. And finally the Will Rush. Alright, this is Will Rush. This racer is number 76 and it says here's the sheriff. That's all for today. Comment below if I want to unbox new characters. Hit the like button, subscribe to reach 1,000 subscribers. Anyway, we're out here.